Ever wondered how you can make your WordPress site stand out? Well, the good news is that WordPress is designed for just that. With its wide array of plugins and an extensive collection of themes, giving your site a fresh and unique look is a breeze. Modifying a WordPress theme to make it uniquely yours is surprisingly straightforward. Thus, in this video, we have shown you 5 useful WordPress theme customization options you should know. 1. Changing colors in theme. Many WordPress themes offer a way to change the colors like background and category colors within the customizer tool itself. To do that, go to WordPress Dashboard, Appearance, and then click on Customize. This will open a new window. Here, if you want to change the background color, click on Background. And from here, set to the color of your choice. However, if you want to change other category colors like header, footer, typography, or buttons, just go back to this window, click on the category of your choice, and change the color to the color of your choice. 2. Custom logo. One way to separate your site from the others is by using your customized image for the logo. For that, go to the WordPress customizer as we did in the previous point. Now click on the Identity site. Click on the site logo and upload your customized logo here. Using a customized logo can modify that WordPress theme to give it a sense of individuality. 3. Title and tagline. The title and tagline of your website are used to further identify the brand. For that, go to the WordPress customizer as we did in the previous point. Now click on the Identity site. Under Site Title, give your customized title. Now under Tagline, give a customized tagline for your website. 4. Background images. A great use of a background image enhances the appeal of your website and gives an individuality of what it is associated with. For example, if you run a restaurant, you could show the dining room in the background. Thus, you can easily change the background of the website by going to the WordPress dashboard, Appearance, Customize. Click on Background. And from here upload the background image of your choice for your website. 5. Use of plugins. There are many WordPress free plugins that will help to customize your themes to another level. Let's take a quick look at the list. First is Page Builder by SiteOrigin. Page Builder by SiteOrigin is a versatile WordPress plugin designed to enhance website customization. Its key features include a drag-and-drop interface, allowing users to effortlessly create responsive layouts. With this plugin, users can modify the appearance of their website, catering to both staff and visitors with user accounts. The second plugin in the list is the Custom Login Page. Custom Login Page is a valuable plugin for WordPress users seeking to personalize their login pages. It provides a seamless solution to modify the login page's appearance, making it suitable for both staff and visitors with accounts on the system. This plugin empowers users to create a branded and professional login experience, enhancing the overall aesthetic of their WordPress site. The third plugin in the list is Advanced TinyMCE. Advanced TinyMCE is a powerful editor plugin that introduces advanced formatting options, allowing users to create rich and visually appealing content. Key features of this plugin include additional formatting tools, improved table editing, and enhanced media embedding capabilities. The fourth plugin in the list is Simple Social Icons. Simple Social Icons is a lightweight yet effective plugin designed for seamlessly integrating social media icons into a WordPress website. This plugin simplifies the process of adding social links, enabling users to connect with their audience across various platforms. And that's all. These are the 5 useful WordPress theme customization options you should know. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.